guys, welcome back to my second YouTube video. And I'm gonna be playing Minecraft Pocket Edition! Oh my god, I can't wait for this. You guys might... Hold on. Wait. Just wait for this. Okay, I'm playing in Minecraft Pocket Edition Bounty. Guys, look away, like, they make us this password. I don't let password. Okay. I am logged in, you can look back. Let's just explore the place for a little. 20 hours VIP. I could get one of these, baby. But I don't have it. As you see, it does go to nighttime. Yeah. And this video is going out to the gamer, bruh. My friend from school. Oh my god. I am like back to the gamer, bruh. He is my best friend from school. So I don't know what to say. Have a great time and enjoy the video. But you guys understand it, don't you? Okay, so this goes out to my two best friends, Trayvon and Elijah. So you guys have a great time and watch a freaking video. So let's start. Let's be right into it. As you see, I'm on the green team. Fuck it, I'm going swimming. Woohoo! So I already have teammates going on to the ship. Last time before I was a YouTuber, I was playing Minecraft Pocket Edition Bounty Hunters. Oh wow. And somebody blew me up on my team and didn't even care and just took all my stuff. So now I'm back in. Now, yesterday I made a video, my first, well, not my first. Well, this is my third video, but, oh, I couldn't even climb my ladder. Well, my first video was really short. It wasn't even about the game or anything. But, you'll get used to it. Mwahaha. Okay, I don't know. Well, I'm not gonna start fighting now. I might just invent the map. This is not the map, my teammate blew me up in, but oh, I wish it was. But whatever. First time going into this map, so have a great time. Watch it. I'll still be talking, but I won't leave you alone. I'm going swimming. It was worth it. It was worth it, but not. Oh, log on me. But I do have other games. Some of them are good, but I'm not really doing something. This thing is long forever. But you guys will get used to it. So, as Minecraft Pocket Edition logged me up, I'm not just gonna have so much worlds for the server. Just, I don't know. But, you know, how games roll with your bad boy still. So, here we go. Starting loading. I'll just stop talking now and see you guys when I pick a match. gosh, it's been loading forever. Sorry about it. So, how you guys been doing? Hope it's gonna be done loading now. Yep, there it goes, there it goes, there it is. John Cena! The game over, I know you like to yell, John Cena. He is alright for John Cena. But me and my friend Dre, Vaughn, and Elijah, we really don't really like John Cena because, well, he says never give up, but, and about to never give up. He gave up at Hell in a Cell, and, Hell in a Cell, and at Raw, but, let me see, tonight, me playing as Roman, me playing as Roman Reigns against Triple H. This is the Roman Reigns versus Shield. I don't know, my next video might be me watching Jacksepticeye, but yeah. Okay. So come on, come on. If you guys think I got this on the Google Play app, I didn't. Okay? Okay. I got this one. Well, first I had to go on Google Chrome, get this app that helps me download stuff, some stuff that are for free, and yeah, as you see in my last video was me playing soccer. Oh, it's called EA Sports, but yeah. Sorry, this thing doesn't give any volume, but you'll just watch the match. Skip that. Here comes the game. This is the first time watching it and watching the game. You guys are gonna. Here comes the game. You see, I gave the title of his theme song, the game, and skip that. I don't like him, but the first, the Roman Reigns that I am playing right now, he is the one for all is gonna win this match. So we're gonna get started for it. At the end of this match, we are going to end the video there. And I hope, here we go, and there goes the bell ringing. And here, oh no, he caught me in the corner, but I caught, oh wow, can do a thing right, and he caught me. That's the pain of people. They don't really care how hurt you are or how damaged you are. They just want to win. Oh wow, you reversed that. You into the rope, but nope, he goes into the corner. Are you coming? I think so. Oh wow, he gets stuck in the corner. I can't even grab him, wow. Can't do anything. Oh, there we go. He's out of the corner. Oh wow, Triple H. What is up? Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh. As you see, I will knock him out, win this match. No. Beat him. This is not my first time playing this game. I've been having this game since January. And I've been winning a bunch of matches. Some I've been losing on my career mode. Well, as you know, there's a pause button, resume, restart, and quit. On my career mode, I usually quit because I'm about to lose, and I don't want to lose. But now I just let it roll in. I win the heavyweight championship. But you guys get the deal. And there he goes, running to the road. Boom! Just bring this fucker up. Okay, there's my signature Superman punch. Actually, I think I forgot to do something during that, but alright, grab him. Shoot him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh, how do you shoot? Oh, jeez, Triple H is trying to go vicious, but no, Roman Reigns reverses that, goes into the corner, grabs him. Oh no, you can't even grab him there. What's going on? I have been rapid tapping, but this game isn't going to work from my rapid tapping. Oh my gosh. You see, as you see, I am swiping the right one, and it does not want to freaking work. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we'll get the gist of it. I'm trying to go up. Nope. It doesn't want to work for me. It doesn't want to work. Come on. Good. And there we go. We caught him. Now it wants to work. Okay, let's stomp on him. Nope. Doesn't want to stomp. There. There. And there. Triple H is going vicious, but I am getting more vicious. Oh my gosh, I did not get my signature. I had to win my signature. No, please, you get the signature before me. There we go. Alright. Please don't pick me. Please don't pick me. Okay. Let's get out of that. Oh my gosh. Let's fight him. Get over there. Nope. Okay, see if we can do this. There we go. And there goes my Superman touch. And away from my finisher. This is stomp on him. This is stomp on him. There we go. Okay, you get up, but I have my finisher. You are my faster. Spear. Spear dropped out. Let us wait for the pain. Come on, get up. And Roman Reigns is up. 1, 2, 3. Your winner, Roman Reigns. As I am playing. So, I'm going to do that video right now. And wait for my next video, which is going to be like next week. Because this week, it's going to be a tough week. But, punch that like button in the face like a boss. And high fives all around. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video, man. What is? No. Wait.